Hi, want to know how to set up VPN on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open Google Play Store and here click on this tab which is named Search. Here we would need to click on this bar to type, and here we would need to enter two words, which is Turbo VPN. Here we would need to find this application with a orange icon, and here you'd be able to see button install, which looks like this, but I have already downloaded this application, so let me just open it. And here, as a next step, we would need to firstly agree to some terms of use. So we click agree and continue. And as a next step, we would need to wait a little while. Here, we would need to close this ad and wait until we will get this notification, which is saying allow Turbo VPN to send you notifications. So we click allow. Here we click consent. And as a next step to start connecting to the VPN, we would need to click on this caret icon. As a next step, we would need to allow the connection request from the Turbo VPN, so we click OK. And this is it, we have successfully connected. Of course, we are getting again the ads of premium, but we can just close it and continue using our VPN. Here you'll be able to see the connection to which you have been connected, and currently I got it at United States. And this is it. To disconnect from VPN, we would need to click on this orange cross right here and click disconnect. After this, you are back on your own. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.